Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we shall be taking a look at some factory custom tractors. We've got a green and white, green with white dots, printing again. We've got green and white, we've got green and brown, and white and black. So we will put these to the side. Take a look at the green and white one first. So I think, I got a factory custom of a regular tractor as well, and I believe it is an exact recoloring, even down to the spots. It would appear so. So with the green and white ones for the side, and have a look at green and brown, which is also going to be no different to green and white, but just with white spots instead of brown. Sorry, brown spots instead of white. So the spots on this one are a similar colour to the original, they're just slightly darker. I would say they're more of a poo brown now. And last but not least, we've got the black and white tractor with black spots. This is my favourite out of the three, because obviously tractors are supposed to be based off cows, right? And here you got your basic black and white cow type design. And you guys know what I'm trying to say. It would be fun to see them do some more. So the factory customizers do some more wacky ideas like this. Some fun, harmless little recolorings. I know people. I know the trendy thing these days is to really shit on factory customs, but I'm not saying I love every single one of them, but for what they are, I think they're okay. Yeah, so there's the three of them. We've got the regular tractor here. No one really cares about it. Well, that's the factory custom with the regular tractor. But no one particularly cares about him. We've seen him plenty of times as an actual Mattel release. The others, not so much. But that is all from me. So thank you all very much for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, share. You know the drill, and I will catch you all in the very next video.